Hello, Peter here again, your Pinoy accountant. So in today's video, pag-usapan natin yung BIR annual registration fee na 500 pesos. So yung unang tanong is, do we need to pay the annual registration fee of 500 pesos? The answer is no. So tandaan nyo, effective actually last year pa to, January 22, 2024, nag-effect yung ating EOPT or yung Ease of Paying Tax Act. So effectivity nun is last year pa, hindi nyo na kailangan magbayad ng 500 pesos na annual fee. But the sad story is yung last year kasi may mga maagang nagbayad, di ba? January, first week pa lang nagbayad na sila ng 500 pesos for the BIR annual registration fee. And sad to say, hindi na na-refund yung 500. So, effective pa nun. So, ngayon, don't do the same mistake of paying the 500 pesos kasi sayang din yung 500 pesos. And the next question is, my COR still reflects the annual registration fee? Do I need to replace it? So, the answer is still no. Kahit nakalagay pa yun doon, yung annual registration fee. If you will check yung COR nyo, malamang may nakalagay pa dyan doon sa inyong tax type na annual registration fee na yung due date is the last day of January. So, i-disregard nyo lang yan. No need to replace your COR. No need na pumunta sa inyong RDO so that you can update yung COR nyo. So, as is pa din yung COR nyo. It's still valid. That is per RR7-2024 and RMC 91-2024. So, that is clear. No need to replace your COR. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. Just a quick video. My name is Peter again. If may mga tanong kayo tungkol sa inyong taxes, accounting, or taxation, comment lang kayo down below and I'll do my best to answer your question. And I'll see you again in my next video.